We at Four Seasons see wellness as not something that is limited to a particular space in our properties, be it standalone residences or be in our hotels. Wellness is something that has to be integrated into every single aspect of the properties. It's from how we look at the spaces, how we make the flow of the spaces go from one to another, what finishes we apply to those, and what psychological wellness, how we make you feel within that space. So it's many aspects. I think if you need to address wellness from day one, when you start discussing things with the architects, when you start doing the spatial layout, it is key. It's key for spaces to feel like they flow into one another, that they feel welcome in the scale of them. Think of it, I mean, we humans, we have a certain height, we have a certain dimensions as such, and you need to feel like you're related to the space that encompasses you as a human being. So from that moment, we start looking into wellness, we start looking into natural light. Psychologically, you need to feel well in this space. You need to feel that you're not overly enclosed. We've learned through the pandemic, we've learned through the lockdown, that how being inside all the time, it's damaging. It's damaging for you psychologically. So how do we counteract that? We look into natural light, we look into lighting. Lighting does enormous good to your mind and how you feel, and to your body, physically, how you feel. So those are aspects that we're looking into. We're looking at physical wellness as well. So how do we bring activities, things that will make you feel stronger, things that will help your immune system, that help you become basically a much more balanced individual. We're looking into the food that we're serving. No? More and more we're looking into the menus of how things will assist you to feel better. I think the end result is to create a gateway. Now, our properties are gateways of feeling more joy, but feeling fundamentally, physically better. A chance to relax, a chance to do the tasks that you do for work. It's very different. Our guests, we have from resorts, we have residences, and we have urban properties. The uses that you give these properties are very different. They vary. One thing is you're flying in for a meeting, a 2-hour meeting, and another one is flying in with your family to spend a week. So we can't always program things in the same sort of cookie cutter manner. What we're hoping to do is address the needs of how you're going to use that property. And that for us is fundamental. And making sure that everything that you require for those tasks is there, that we can foresee them, that we can address them. Wellness. Wellness comes to being able to sit properly, have the right surfaces, have the right variety of offerings, so that you're not constantly sitting in the same location hour after hour. It's about being able to provide you a menu of healthy items. We have a work at leisure within our app, which is a very clever invention that works beautifully. We have one of the icons, which is work at leisure, and within that you have a menu to choose from of healthy snacks. You have a possibility of having somebody give you a massage while you're working or in between meetings. You have the possibility of having your room made out in those little windows that you have in between one team call and another. You have the possibility of having an exercise scenario within your room, or have somebody come over and assist you with that exercise. So it's truly this holistic approach of everything that you could possibly need to feel better, to feel stronger. That's what we go after.